Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows 10 and 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, go to the bottom of your screen, click on the search bar and type Mouse Settings, then open it. There's a setting we need to change first. If you're on Windows 11, scroll down to Related Settings and click on Additional Mouse Settings. If you're using Windows 10, this option will already appear on the right side. Once the Mouse Properties window opens, click on Pointer Options, uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision, and then click Apply. Next, open up a web browser and search for DPI Analyzer. The website I recommend using is the first result that appears, so click on that. Once the page loads, you will see the Analyzer tool. First, select the unit you want to measure in, since you'll be moving your mouse a specific distance. In this example, choose centimeters and set the distance to 5. Then enter your current DPI setting if known. If unknown, enter any approximate value, for example 800. Then click and drag inside the Analyzer box and move your mouse the exact distance you selected. Once you're done, the result displayed will be your mouse's DPI. As you can see here, the result is 800.10, which means that's the actual DPI. And that's it. So that's basically how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows 10 and 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.